Motorhomes and millionaires have always been connected by one simple idea: freedom without compromise. When people reach a stage in life where money is no longer the main limitation, priorities begin to shift. What starts to matter more is control. Control over time. Control over movement. Control over where you wake up tomorrow. And the JAECOO Expedition Motorhome is built precisely for people who think this way. From the outside, the JAECOO Motorhome doesn't rely on flashy styling or unnecessary visual drama. Instead, it presents itself as solid, purposeful, and engineered for real-world use. The design feels confident rather than loud. The proportions are balanced, the stance is planted, and every surface looks like it exists for a reason. This isn't a vehicle designed to sit still. It's meant to travel, to endure long distances, and to perform reliably far away from comfort zones. One of the first things that stands out is the expedition-focused engineering beneath the body. A reinforced chassis supports the structure, designed to handle heavy loads without compromising stability. Advanced suspension systems absorb rough terrain, helping the motorhome remain composed whether it's traveling on highways, forest trails, or uneven ground. The drivetrain is tuned for reliability rather than speed, delivering consistent traction where ordinary vehicles would struggle. This is what separates an expedition motorhome from a typical recreational vehicle. The confidence you feel on the road is a major reason vehicles like the JAECOO are so appealing. Long journeys don't feel stressful. The vehicle doesn't fight the terrain. It feels predictable, planted, and calm. That sense of trust is essential when you're traveling far from familiar infrastructure. Stepping inside, the atmosphere changes immediately. The interior feels calm, controlled, and intentionally designed. The cockpit reinforces that feeling of confidence. The view from the driver's seat is clear and natural, with the dashboard laid out in a simple, logical way. Materials feel solid and refined without being overly complicated. It feels like a real, factory-built expedition vehicle designed for long hours of driving without fatigue. From this position, driving feels calm and predictable. This matters on long journeys, where comfort and mental ease become just as important as mechanical capability. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the living space continues the same philosophy of realism and practicality. The main lounge is compact, well-proportioned, and designed for actual use. A straight built-in sofa runs along one wall, leaving a clear walkway through the space. Nothing blocks movement. Nothing feels oversized or awkwardly placed. The layout allows you to move freely, even when carrying gear or supplies. That a single table is fixed securely to the floor, designed to remain stable even when the motorhome is parked on uneven terrain. On the table sits a small flower vase. It's a subtle detail, but an important one. It adds warmth and a human touch without cluttering the space or turning it into decorative excess. Soft, warm lighting along the ceiling edges and beneath the seating creates a cozy atmosphere, especially in the evenings. This is a space designed for recovery after long days on the road. A place to sit down, slow things down, and feel settled again. The kitchen and dining area follows the same logic of efficiency and restraint. Everything is arranged along one wall, preserving openness and making movement easy. The galley kitchen is built for daily use, not show. Sand-colored cabinetry, matte black hardware, and a durable composite countertop communicates strength and longevity. A compact induction cooktop and deep sink handle everyday cooking needs, while lockable cabinets ensure everything stays secure while traveling. Integrated directly into the kitchen wall is a fold-down dining shelf. This serves as the primary dining surface, keeping the layout minimal and functional. Two compact stools are positioned directly in front of it, providing a comfortable place to sit and eat without disrupting the flow of the space. When not in use, the stools tuck neatly away, maintaining a clear walkway. Storage is one of the most critical aspects of any expedition motorhome, and the JAECOO handles it intelligently. Instead of decorative cabinets, the interior integrates dedicated storage zones designed specifically for long-distance travel. Lockable compartments, reinforced drawers, and tall utility cabinets provide secure space for tools, supplies, and personal gear. Built-in storage niches keep frequently used items within reach while ensuring everything remains organized and stable, even when the terrain becomes unpredictable. This kind of thoughtful storage design is what allows extended journeys to remain stress-free. For those who need a quiet place to work or plan routes, the motorhome includes a private office cabin. This space is designed to be calm, cozy, and focused. A wall-mounted desk supports a single laptop, a notebook, and a coffee mug. Open shelves provide space for books or essential documents without overwhelming the room. Warm task lighting and soft ambient ceiling light create an environment that supports concentration without harsh glare. This isn't a corporate office. It's a personal planning space built for clarity and calm thinking. The bedroom continues the theme of comfort and security. The bed is fixed in place, framed by soft upholstered panels that help the space feel protected and quiet. Two bedside tables provide balance and practicality, with one holding a warm lamp and the other supporting a small personal item. An additional slim wall-mounted ledge offers extra space for essentials like a phone or flashlight. That underbed lighting creates a subtle floating effect, making the room feel lighter and more spacious. Heavy curtains cover the black-tinted side windows, ensuring privacy and blocking unwanted light. The ceiling is solid and sculpted, with integrated recessed lighting that adds visual interest without sacrificing insulation or structural integrity. There are no skylights or ceiling windows. This choice reinforces the feeling of safety and enclosure, especially when parked in remote locations. The bathroom follows strict expedition logic. This is a true wet bath designed for daily use, not display. There is no seating and no wasted space. A wall-mounted toilet saves room while remaining practical. A compact sink, mirrored wall, and enclosed shower fit together efficiently. Materials are durable and easy to clean, while warm ambient lighting prevents the space from feeling cold or clinical. Everything about the JAECOO Expedition motorhome feels intentional. Nothing exists purely for aesthetics. Every decision serves a purpose. This is what separates serious expedition motorhomes from luxury concepts that look impressive but fail in real-world use. When it comes to pricing, a motorhome like this exists in a different category altogether. With expedition-grade engineering, reinforced construction, and a thoughtfully designed interior, pricing typically begins in the high six-figure range and can extend into seven figures depending on customization. But for the people who choose a vehicle like the JAECOO, value isn't measured in numbers, that it's measured in independence and safety, in the ability to travel anywhere without asking permission from the road. So here's the real question. If you could take your home beyond paved roads, cross continents, and still live comfortably every day, would you choose the JAECOO Expedition motorhome? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more expedition and luxury motorhome content, and I'll see you in the next one.